allows you the versatility to set up your email campaigns using various different tools. From creating your email campaign from scratch using our editor, to adding your own custom HTML. To set up your email campaign, hover over Campaigns and click Email Messages. Click Add Email Campaign. You have 4 different options in the campaign wizard to set up your email campaign. Add custom HTML or create your own plain text campaign. You can also use Pull Campaign Message, which creates an email out of a web page by simply adding the link. And finally, you can build your own email with our user-friendly drag and drop editor. Let's start by showing you how to create an email with your custom HTML. Select the list you wish this email to go out to. You can rename your campaign. And you can also select targets, add things like dynamic tokens or the seed list. Next, you enter your subject line. At the bottom of the page, there's a section where you can enter your custom HTML. Simply copy and paste it in here. If you click preview, you'll be able to preview the HTML you just added. Everything looks great. Let's go ahead and save and continue. Here you can add other options like tracking your links or adding certain features to the header or footer of the email. If you select click tracking, you'll be able to select the links you want to track. Then you'll get to review your final campaign details, as well as send out or schedule your message, test it, or save it as a draft. Next, we'll take a look at how you set up a pull campaign. Setting up the initial campaign is identical to all the other types of email campaigns. The only difference is that instead of having a section to add your custom HTML, you will have a section to add the web page URL you wish to convert to an email campaign. Once you add the URL in, the rest of the setup is identical for all campaign types. You can select click tracking, send your email out, test, or save your campaign as a draft. Lastly, let's review how you can build your own email template using our own drag and drop editor. You have the option of creating an email from scratch, utilizing one of our pre-built templates, or selecting one of your saved templates. We have a variety of templates available for you to use. For the purposes of this video, let's start with a blank template. I have 3 main sections to help you create your template: content, rows, and settings. The content section has all the content blocks available for your email template. You can add text, images, GIFs, videos, or even buttons. The rows section allows you to select how many columns your email will have. You can select varying widths of columns and up to 6 columns in a row. If, for example, we wanted to have 6 columns in a row, all we would have to do is drag and drop it in the email section. Then we could add the type of content we wanted in each section by going to the content, grabbing the type of content, and dropping it in each section. You can also duplicate or delete rows by highlighting each row and then either pressing on the duplicate button to make a copy or the trash can to delete it. Finally, let's take a look at the settings bar. Here you can control the global settings for your email. You can manage the size of the template, the font, and the background colors for the entire email. Now let's create an email. You can also change the background color of each individual row by selecting the row and editing the settings on the right-hand side. You can add your desired image by dragging and dropping it into the image block. When you click on the image, your right-hand side content bar changes and allows you to edit all aspects of your image. You can change the size, alignment, apply effects, add a URL, edit the alternate text, and add padding. The same is true for any other content you add. When you add a specific content block within your email, it could be a button, a video, or text, your right-hand navigation panel changes and allows you to edit all aspects of that specific piece of content. For example, if we click on our button, we can edit what the button says, the color, shape, and length of the button, and even add a link. As we create the remainder of the email, you'll notice that there are other ways to add images. You can click on Browse and upload images to your image library from your computer, or you can search our database of free photos. When using the text block, you can change the font, size, and alignment, and add links to a portion of the text all from this section. There are a variety of links you can add: URL, email address, telephone number, or send a text. The social icons come in a variety of colors, and you can add or remove social icons as needed. You also have the option to add custom icons to your template. When you're done with your email, simply click Save. When you're all done with your email or you're done for the day, simply click Save and either save it as a message or save it as a message end template. Once your email is saved, you can schedule it, test it, or save it as a draft. Congratulations! Now you know how to create an email campaign using various methods in the Huddy platform.